Hello and welcome. Have you learned how to develop AI talking avatars, but now you are stuck trying to figure out how you can make money with them? I feel your pain and I am here to help you resolve that problem. In this video, I will discuss monetizing AI talking avatars by creating marketing videos for local auto repair shops and body shops. Most of these businesses rely on outdated websites, word of mouth, or basic print advertisements, thereby leaving a massive opportunity for modern, video-based customer engagement. With AI avatars, you can help these shops build trust, explain services clearly, and stand out online, all without the owners needing to spend time producing their own videos. Here are 3 smart ways to monetize AI avatar videos in the auto repair industry. The first way is to create a virtual service advisor promotional video. How to get it done? Use an AI avatar to act as the shop's virtual advisor. The avatar can greet customers, explain the shop's specialties such as brake repair, engine diagnostics, oil changes, and collision repair. Then invite them to schedule an appointment. Include visuals of mechanics in action and before and after vehicle shots. Monetization strategy. Sell this as a branded promotional video for use on their business website, Google Business Profile, and YouTube channel. Business benefit. Builds credibility fast, especially for new customers who want to meet the team before visiting. The second method is to produce quick tip videos for vehicle owners. How to get it done? Use the avatar to share short educational tips, like 5 signs you need a new battery, how to know if your brakes are worn out, or should you repair or replace a damaged bumper? Monetization strategy. Sell these as a video series or bundle. You can also offer a monthly subscription service for ongoing content. Business benefit. Educates customers, builds authority, and improves the shop's visibility on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. The third option is to promote seasonal maintenance and specials. How to get it done? Create avatar videos for seasonal promotions, such as winter tire checks, summer air conditioner service, or spring tune-ups. Add animated text for any discounts or deadlines. Use imagery that reflects the season and local driving conditions. Monetization strategy. Offer 4 packs of seasonal videos, or provide quarterly content as part of a yearly video package. Business benefit. Help shops stay top of mind with customers before major issues arise, thereby increasing repeat visits and bookings. Tips for success. Develop an avatar that conveys helpfulness, honesty, and professionalism. Include captions because many viewers will watch on mute. Use real photos or stock images of clean repair bays, diagnostic tools, and happy drivers. Focus messaging on trust, transparency, and turnaround time. AI talking avatars give local auto repair shops a 24/7 video spokesperson. And you can monetize that by offering high-converting, done-for-them content. This concludes the video on monetizing AI avatars for auto repair and body shop businesses. And thank you for watching.